Hi, my name is Marilu Ruvalcaba, and today, celebrating Cinco de Mayo, la Batalla de Puebla, I'm gonna show you how to make tacos envenenados, which translate to poison tacos, but they're not poison, they're actually delicious. So, first, we're gonna start with our potatoes. They're already cooked, and I'm gonna remove the skin. Now I'm gonna put the potatoes on the side because I'm gonna cook the chorizo. This is pork chorizo. You can do beef chorizo or soy chorizo. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Oil or butter is good. So we're gonna cut the tomatoes, onions, avocado. So because we're doing tacos, we wanna do slices that are gonna fit in the taco with the tomatoes, onions, avocados. So queso fresco it has to be queso fresco because there's so many types of queso. This is the best one. This is the one that you wanna use. To make it faster, I bought the shredded lettuce, but you can just shred your own lettuce. So we have crema table cream, which you can use salted or not, and then you can add some salt. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the potatoes, a little bit of salt. Not too much salt because the chorizo is already salty, so just a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna smash them. I'm gonna add some oregano for flavor. I don't know about measurements. I would say something like this. What is this, a spoon? So now we're gonna make the tacos. It's a different type of tortilla, and I think you can only get it like in Mexico or my state. This is the closest that I could get. It's bigger than the taco tortilla, but smaller than the burrito tortilla. It's just like this big. Corn, yeah. Wouldn't really use flour to make tacos. So, yeah, corn. So a little bit of oil. Just gonna wait until they're fried. So I put them like on paper towels so they're not that oily. Now open them up. Then you're gonna put all this in here. Salsas go at the end. So we're gonna do lettuce and queso fresco, then our avocado. Onions, if you like onions. My kids don't like onions, so. Okay, we're gonna do our tomatoes. Last but not least, we're gonna do our crema. So, some lime juice. And that's it. So we close our taco. How beautiful this is. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed this Tacos Envenenados, and thank you for letting me be part of MX family. This is something very traditional from my state, which is Zacatecas. I appreciate you, I appreciate Hannah and all your support, and enjoy the Tacos Envenenados. Feliz Cinco de Mayo, my people. Thank you.